Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting 2 paper cups, a short, flexible straw, tape, scissors, and your smartphone. Make a small 2-centimeter hole centered in the bottom of 1 cup and push the trimmed 6 to 8 centimeter straw through so it fits snugly. Once done, seal around the straw with tape to prevent air leaks. This creates a simple acoustic channel. Make sure the second cup stays whole. It will become the directional bell that focuses your voice toward the phone mic. Now you form the funnel by nesting or taping the 2 cup rims together so the sealed cup becomes the rear channel and the open cup becomes the bell. Tape evenly around the seam to keep it rigid. Once connected, angle the straw exit so the sound exits directly into the open bell and aim that bell at your phone mic. You can add a small folded paper or foam inside to reduce pops and smooth resonance. This improves clarity and reduces room echo. Finish by positioning your phone so the mic sits 1 to 2 centimeters from the bell opening and secure it, then record a short test phrase. Listen back and refine. If the sound is thin, move the phone closer. If it booms, add more foam or change the bell angle. Make sure all joints are airtight for better low frequencies. If things go wrong and audio is muffled, check each seal and the straw alignment, remove any obstructing paper, and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.